In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the margin level on MetaTrader 5. Understanding how to properly navigate the account summary section in MetaTrader 5 is crucial for any trader, regardless of your level of experience. By familiarizing yourself with the key components of your trading account, you enable yourself to make informed decisions, manage your risk effectively, and ensure your trading activities align with your financial objectives. To begin, let's locate and open the Essential Toolbox panel. This is your main hub for monitoring your account's vital statistics. You'll find this panel generously located at the bottom of your MetaTrader 5 interface. Once you've comfortably navigated to the Toolbox panel, it's time to focus your attention on the Trade tab, a pivotal element for any trader. Simply click on the Trade tab to proceed. This brings you face to face with one of the most critical components for trading, the account summary section. Now that you're looking at the Trade tab, let's delve deeper into understanding the various aspects of the account summary section. At first glance, this area provides a comprehensive overview of your trading account's current status. Let's break these components down for better clarity and understanding. Firstly, at the top of your account summary, you will notice the term balance. This represents your account balance, essentially serving as a snapshot of your account's starting value before considering any open positions profit and loss. In other words, this is the amount you've deposited into your trading account. Next, we have equity, a vital metric that represents the current value of your account, including any floating profits or losses from your open trades. It's the real-time measure of your account's health and reflects the outcome if you were to close all your active trades immediately. Moving on, you'll see margin, the amount currently allocated as a security deposit for maintaining your open trades. This is an important number because it's what your broker sets aside to keep your positions open. Directly related to margin is free margin, which denotes the funds available in your account for opening new trades. This figure is crucial for traders looking to expand their positions or respond quickly to market opportunities. Finally, we reach the margin level percentage. This particular measurement is essential in ensuring that you maintain sufficient equity relative to the used margin. It is derived from the formula equity or margin 100. Understanding your margin level can help prevent margin calls, which occur if your margin level falls below a certain threshold set by your broker. By regularly checking this information, you stay informed about your account's performance, helping you trade confidently in your trading endeavors. Make sure to revisit this section often, especially as you execute new trades or when market conditions change. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.